One of the biggest challenges in Canmore for buyers is finding a property that is absolutely walkable to anywhere and everything
without giving up space, privacy or mounting character.
Today we're excited to show you a property that does exactly that. So we're in the Lions Park neighbourhood today. It's just west of Main Street on the valley floor, and it's one of Canmore's most sought after and, in my opinion, one of Canmore's most underrated neighbourhoods.
We're on a quiet street backing onto Lions Park. Let's go take a look. The moment you step inside, it just feels like Canmore.
You've got that Canmore open plan with the vaulted ceilings, with the wood beam highlights. We've got stone fireplace. We've got the kitchen that overlooks the living room, and then this wall of windows letting in all that natural light. So that bank of windows, as we said, lets in all that natural light, but it also gives you some incredible mountain views of the valley. The home itself faces east in this backyard, and so you get all that morning sun that comes up over Grotto Mountain and stays high for most of the day, and that allows you to take advantage of that sunlight with a bank of solar panels on the roof. Right off the kitchen, you've got this large back deck that you will spend so much time on. As you can see, the sun is just baking down on this deck, and it overlooks Lions Park with a ton of privacy.
Also on your deck, you've got a hot tub, but check out these views. You've got fantastic mountain views, and you'll often see the elk back here.
The back deck leads down into this nice private backyard, great space for a fire pit, and then it opens up into Lions Park so you can get the kids playing freely on the swings just over to my left, or if you're in the summertime and you are a tennis player, you can head straight over to those courts.
Just off the dining room, you've got this incredible reading nook. Take a look at those views behind, and if you ever get bored of those views, you can always set this up as a home office. Right, Richard? Richard?
Sophie, you're ruining my zen. But seriously, this is one of the coolest features in the home. What a great room to relax in. All right, back to life, back to reality. Where are we filming next, Sophie?
The primary bedroom. You've got vaulted ceilings with large picture windows and a 4-piece ensuite, as well as access to your private deck
that faces south, so you get all those incredible mountain views that everyone expects in Canmore. It's the perfect place to hang out in the summertime and just take in that mountain ambience.
There are 2 additional bedrooms just down the hall.
Perfect for kids, guests, or even setting up a home office.
And they share a full 4-piece bathroom right in between.
Just behind the kitchen is the access to the lower level, and downstairs this home offers even more flexibility.
We've got a fully self-contained suite,
complete with its own kitchen, 2 bedrooms, a renovated 3-piece bathroom, and a dedicated laundry space. This space adds a lot to the house and is perfect space for extended family or guests on a weekend.
The suite has its own private access from the front of the house, which is fantastic. Right, Richard? Where's he gone now?
I found my happy place. This is an incredible man cave. So this workshop is located just off the back of the garage, and it is an incredible space. Room for bikes, skis, tools, tuning benches, all your mountain toys. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this house or any others in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. As I say, we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.